and welcome again. In this session, we will see one more important function of if conditions, that is satisfying two condition criteria. Normally up to now we have seen only one condition, like a simple if condition where this result will be pass or fail. And even we have used a condition where we have used means a grading system we have seen, but it's all about the same two condition, true and false, true and false. What will happen if I want to satisfy whether this one and something else two criteria is going to prove, then only I want to result, not only one. In grading system also we have seen only one conditions, like whether this one is more than or not than something else, whether again this one is more than or less than some values or not, then some I want to publish some result. Now I want to display two cell criteria. If when the both cell criteria are satisfying and proven, then only we will have a result. And for that purpose, we use AND condition. Okay, AND condition. So example, suppose I have mentioned the name here, semester and result. Let's say I want to publish the semester and result. So what will be the criteria for semester? I want to display, let's say 60%. Example, 60 will be the passing mark for the criteria for this semester. So when the people will get 60 marks in both the semester, then only I want to show pass, else I want to show fail. Simple. Okay, but both the semester they need to appear. Okay, and both the semester they need to get minimum 60, then only the pass will be defined. Like a whole year, we have two semesters generally, first 6 months and 6 months, like that we can use it. So how it will work? I said equal to if. Same start with if. Now it is asking you logical test. So logical test, if you select only this one, greater than is greater than and equal to 60, then I have to choose only false and true. But I want to verify not only on this, I want to verify on the second number also, and that's why we will not use the simple if formula. After writing the formula if, we will use AND. And is a formula where you can satisfy multiple criteria, multiple cells you can say. So you can say use and you can say logical 1, logical 2, and there is an endless number of logic you can enter, and based on that it will satisfy the result. Okay, it's just like the number is more than 60, if it is in a particular range, if it is you can say for a particular segment, from a particular department, by a particular person, then I want something. So for all these things we use AND conditions. Okay, so I say AND this value is greater than and equal to 60. I'm just writing it, so selection. If this value is greater than or equal to 60, comma, this. So one is done. Now you use comma and this you can use second one. And this value is greater than and equal to 60. So when the semester 1 value is greater than or equal to 60 and semester 2 value is greater than or equal to 60, like that semester 3, semester 4, semester 5, when you complete all semester, like 10 semester, then you will get the certificate. And in every semester you need to get minimum 50, 60, whatever the college or university's criteria are there. So you can, I have here only two criteria, 2 semesters only. So I will use AND condition, and this one greater than and equal to 60 and this one greater than and equal to 60. Close the bracket. Now AND condition is complete. AND is complete. But if it is still running, AND is complete but still if is running. So after that put the comma and now go back to your simple if condition. So simple if condition, if this value, now it will treat the whole AND as one single entity, not as multiple entities. So you can just select this AND, close the bracket, and it will be one single entry. If it is there, then I want to display pass, else I want to display fail, and appear next or whatever you want to write anything. Inside this you can type anything. Then finally close the bracket. So there is only one criteria here. However, in one criteria we have multiple AND conditions. Now I will enter this value and it says pass because 95 and 81 both are more than 60. But when I drag it, you can see only one pass, all fail. One more, all fail, because in one semester we got 78, more than 60, but another semester is only 44. That's why it's failed. 41, 96, again fail. first semester only 40, 41, it should be 60 minimum. When in both the semester you will have minimum 60 and something like that, let's say 70, then only it will pass both the semester, not only single semester. See, single, fail, double, pass, single, fail, double pass, single, fail, fail. So like that, the if condition of AND, by using AND conditions, you can use it with if. Similar to AND, there is OR condition. The criteria are same. Let's example, I say that here the criteria is almost same. But this time I will change the rule. I say that you just need to get one semester 70, not 70. In one semester you get 70 and you will pass. No need to make both the semester 70 or both the semester 60 or like that. In any of the semester, if you got more than 70, you are pass, else you are fail. Now, similar to AND condition, we have OR condition. So equal to if this value, not this value. I said OR, because if I select, then it will become simple if. So I use OR. Now I will start my conditions. I say that if OR this value is greater than and equal to 70, because now I change to 70, okay, comma, or this value is greater than or equal to 70. Either of these two semester, in any semester if you will get 70, then now the simple if condition, you can write pass or promoted to the next semester, okay, else you are fail and try again. Okay, so simple if condition, in between there are two OR condition we pass, that's this one is more than 70 or this one is more than 70, then only pass. Okay, else if in both the semester you will not be able to get 70, then only you will be fail. Okay, now enter the conditions. Okay, here it says fail because not 70. Now I will disclose here. See, 88, 70 and 30. One semester they got 77. My criteria is at least one semester. At least one semester you need to get more than 70. So easily they got one semester 70. Even in second semester they got only 30. Still it's pass. 17, only 17 is still pass. So like that you can see one fail but 70, exactly 70 pass. Because my criteria says you need to get minimum 70 to promote and to get the result of pass. So this way you can use the AND conditions and OR condition to be used in Excel, and you can use it in anywhere in your office, in your sheet. Whenever you have to satisfy two criteria, then you can use AND or OR conditions, right? So I hope you like this session. See you again. Till then, thank you.